Hi, my name is Michelle Thomas. Well, now it's Michelle Grau. I got married this summer. A little bit about myself. I am a kindergarten teacher in the West Claremont Local School District. We just started school 2 weeks ago, so it's been great getting to meet all my kindergartners and learn more about them. A little bit about myself. I live in Cincinnati, Ohio. This is my third year teaching kindergarten and my third year teaching in general. I got my bachelor's degree from Ohio State University in 2015, and I'm really excited to be starting my master's now. My goals for this class is just to learn how to integrate technology better, and just to be able to use it to its fullest capacity. Some of my strengths are I know how to use the Google Drive. We use it a lot at school, and I'm pretty good at finding apps for my kids to use on their tablet. Some of my weaknesses are I'm not so great with Google Community. My master courses, this is actually the first time I've used Google Community. I'm starting to get the hang of it now. And also just being able to use apps to their fullest. I feel like I am able to download apps for some of my kids on their tablets, but I don't always use them to their fullest capability. I have access to a lot of technology in my classroom. I have a smart board, smart notebook, document camera, and I do a pretty good job of using those. I am able to put games up on my smart board, like educational ones we've used before where you're matching letters, upper and lowercase. Some of my interests for this class is just learning how to use the Google community better. And yeah, that's about all. So I'm really excited to get to know everyone better, and I can't wait to learn more from everyone in this class. Thanks. Bye.